So here we are, this is Lake Superior, and this is Terrace Bay Beach, and we just went up to see the Agua Sabon Falls, and this is both the first time that Ben and Callie and I have all been in Lake Superior.
There's no way. I don't know if I can swim in that.
We were going to go in and have a dip, but I think it's too cold for even us, even Ben.